So, echiddako. Nga tulina kochi waffe mu kibiina.
Thank you very much. Thank you for this.
So you hold it. Yeah, we hold it.
Wow, wow, wow.
Also didn't know if it would work. Yes. And we also didn't know if it would be a waste of money. Yeah. But we are overwhelmed.
Wow.
Overwhelmed with the success of this program.
Wow, 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 wow.
And thanks to our coach.
Wow, wow.
Who made it a success, and all of you who worked so hard these past months, and we couldn't be more proud.
Wow.
So thank you for showing us your success and your growth and your pride, and we're very proud of you.
Thank you.
This is my third trip and Debbie's fourth trip to Uganda. So we've been here many times. And success does not come easy. If you are successful, it's because you worked at it.
Yes.
So don't let anybody tell you that success is easy. If you are successful, be proud of yourself.
Yeah.
Because we are. And I know, we all know, that if you're successful, you've worked hard.
Yeah.
Nobody gave you anything.
Yes.
We give you the tools to be successful, and you do it. But also take chances. Take educated chances, just like James did. James took a chance. He took a chance where he thought that it was only for women. Now for me, if I heard there were 56 women in a class, I would run to that class. But James took a chance. And if he did not take that chance because he was afraid, his life wouldn't change. He took that chance. James took that chance, and it changed his life, just like it changed everybody else's life. So take chances, and when you're successful, I have one favor to ask you.
I'm grateful our sponsors. Thank you so much for investing in us. It's usually a challenge for us here to get such knowledge, and when we study, we graduate with degrees, but sometimes this practical knowledge we don't get.
Yeah.
So we are so grateful. Personally, I did not understand that I could benefit the way I have benefited. Because I'm a graduate, I have worked, I have trainings, I have certificates. I'm a political leader. So it didn't make much sense.
What did it bring to me? It was a challenge when coach told us, we are beginning now. So I began scratching my head. What am I going to do? I don't want the course to end without having implemented. Coach Cynthia and Coach Phoebe imparted in us something. We are beginning now. I am the business. I didn't know that I am the business.
You are the one.
Yes. I thought I could set up something, then give it to somebody, do it, and. But they trained me. I am
The business.
Without it, it can't.
Manage.
Yeah, it can't run without.
Omusomo guno
ogwa Global Village Connect we gwajja abakyala ne bagwettanira kati ffe nga ffe abayiseemu abasobodde okusuumuuka tugenda bakyala bannaffe okubanga bayimirizawo amaka nga masanyufu okubanga ekintu omumama bamulekedde 15 asofisako 15 ka business okubanga asobola okubanga ayambako ki omwami we abakyala bangi babadde balera engalo nga n'akantu ak'ennusu 10 alinda mwami wajje naye ku lw'omusomo guno ffe nga ffe abakulembeze ebitugu bino muvunaanyizibwa baffe okubanga tukuŋŋaanya abakyala abo n'okubakumakuma n'okulaba ani anafuye okubazzaamu amaanyi okubanga basobola okukola
Mukuguze nze bizinensi naye basemerawo bizinensi temerawo nenkuguka nduka obukomo mmanyi okuluka obukomo nenyiga okunoonya akatale nayiga okwogera bulungi ne bakasitoma nennima sukuma nennima n'entula
Manya ng'okuguse mu ki
okulunda ni mulunzi wa bulijjo era kati neeyongedde okubuka kweyongera kulunda embizi
kiguse mu ki
nkuguse mu mpisa z'abakasitoma okubagondera nkuguse mu kukola ekintu nga weekakasa nga totamatama nenkuguka okukola kyenjagala nga ngira ki nga nkyagala nga sitamatama era ninawo bizinensi yange ey'okusiba abagole
tolina banange bagenda kumpa capital ngende ku banka newole nedda tandika n'akatono koolina mu ngalo zo ojja kulaakulana n'ekirala ne bagamba nti ebintu tulina ebintu mu nju ebikadde ebiriwo abakyala tugula nnyo ebintu ensawo ng'ezo ngatto ne bikulekawo
oba okusaka olaba omusomo guli eri sakirako banno era tumaze okubasaba bajja kwongera kutuwa emisomo emirala kutuuka n'ebyalo ebirala emukono abantu basobole okuganyirwamu.